Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are here introducing this Dr. Pen M8. Here is the security label, and with this security label, this is the original Dr. Pen. Okay, original Dr. Pen M8. Okay, let's open the box. Here is a pen, Dr. Pen, very beautiful. We can adjust the needle length from 0 to 2.5, and standard the box with 2 pix 16 needle cartridges. Okay. 2 picks. Okay, and this is the adapter. Okay, and also here is the menu. Okay, here is a menu. Okay, now we put the cartridge on the pen. Okay. When you use the leaders, remember firstly take off this cap. Okay. And then we put under the pen. Okay, we can adjust length, and this button we turn it on the machine. Okay, you see. M5 total 6 speed levels. Okay, 6 picks, 6 speed levels. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn it off. Okay. Okay, this is the Dr. Pen M8. If you guys like it, welcome to order from us. Okay. Welcome to order the original Dr. Pen M8 with hot price. Thank you so much for your watching and your support. Thank you so much. Bye bye.